I'm Steve McIntyre and I'm the CMO of Nymans, and I'm very excited to be bringing this review video today for the unboxing of the new EPOS ADAPT 660, their new flagship headset. So in true unboxing fashion, we'll open it up and have a look inside and see what it's all about. So quite nicely inside, to avoid waste, they have the instructions printed on the inside of the box for the very easy pairing processes and how to turn the headset up and down, etc. And then, interestingly, they've got a hybrid type case. There's a relatively hard exterior shell, but they have a very soft velvety seam to it, which I think adds to the idea that these are the flagship headset and a real premium positioning of it. They feel really good. When you open it up, then you've got the familiar looking design for the 660s, I guess based around the MB660, which was their previous flagship headset. But they feel very light and the ear cushions are incredibly soft. So I think, as the usual thing we'll do, we'll get them paired up with the system and then we'll show you the noise cancelling capabilities. So the first thing you notice when you get the headset on is how incredibly comfortable it feels. It's like there's a party for your ears and everyone's invited. The cushions are so soft and the headset's light, you could easily wear this all day. So before we jump into the noise cancelling capability, I'll just take you through a few of the features. Now, they have a 30-hour battery life, so that's almost a whole working week from one charge, and on standby they last up to 15 days. So they only weigh 227 grams, so they are very lightweight. And they have your voice assistant built in, so you can use Alexa or whatever other voice assistant you like to use. But interestingly, they have AI on their ANC, if that's not too many abbreviations. So they've got artificial intelligence, which is constantly monitoring the level of sound around you in the room, and then adjusting the active noise cancelling to compensate for that as it goes through. So that's one of the things it's easy to demonstrate. The sound quality when listening to music on this headset is phenomenal. You really do need to try it out to get the sense of how good that is. Unfortunately, not something we can put across on the video, but what we can demonstrate is this active noise cancellation. So we'll do it the way we've normally done, is walk out into a busy sales room, but in lockdown that's not really possible. So I've got some background office noise I'll play, and then as I play this, we will then switch the audio from what's been recorded on the camera
to what's been recorded on the call using the built-in microphones.
So you should see the difference in the audio quality. So using our usual test phrase, Celtic have won the Scottish Premiership for a 9th time in a row.
Celtic have won the Scottish Premiership for a 9th time in a row.
And I'll switch the audio back and forward all the way through this video.
So you can see how the active noise cancellation cuts out the background noise, but there's not too much sibilance in the tone, so the tones are still rich.
And it's a real quality experience. So as I said, I would definitely give this headset a try out. The audio quality is fantastic.
The noise cancelling capabilities and its adaptability are superb. And this, I think, is the first ever video review of the EPOS Sennheiser 660, because this is a brand new product to hit the market.
So it's nice to be first to the market with one, and I thank the guys at EPOS Sennheiser for getting the unit over for me to try out.
So if you'd like to try out and experience this for yourself, give your Nymans account manager a call and get these in, try them out and push them through to your customers. They will not be disappointed.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, then click subscribe below, and by all means, if you want to see any other products, then leave us some suggestions and we'll see what we can do to get them recorded for you.
So once again, this is the EPOS Sennheiser ADAPT 660, demonstrating their noise cancelling capabilities. Give them a try. Thank you.